Hello everyone, welcome to Geekermag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix corrupted data issue on PS5. Before that, if you find this video useful in any way, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Press the PS button on the controller and then navigate to power option and then select turn off PS5. Once console is off, press the power button on the console. Keep pressing it until you hear 2 beeps. Now console will start in the safe mode. Using the cable, connect controller to console. After that, press the PS button on the console. Now you will see these options. Navigate to clear cache and rebuild database and select it. And then select rebuild database. On this screen, select OK. Now console will restart and start building the database. On this screen, press the PS button, select the account and you will reach the home screen. And doing this will hopefully fix the corrupted data issue on PS5. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.